Good afternoon. Went out for a hike today, January 28th, 2021, hiking up in the Laguna Mountains, which is east of San Diego. And it's a beautiful day out here, as you can see. Lots of snow. Well, I'm headed to this overlook. It's such a beautiful day today, as you can see. Only a few clouds in the sky. The wind is only blowing about, I don't know, maybe 5 knots. So not so bad. Nice and warm out. Not even wearing a jacket. Just wearing a long sleeve shirt and a very thin thermal. And it's gonna be a nice view when I get to the other side of the ridge. There's already been a lot of people up here and some dogs, so the trail is easy to see. Just follow the footprints. So this is one of the reasons why I love going hiking, backpacking, and being outdoors, being in God's country. It's so beautiful out here, peaceful. I could spend a lot of time up here. Well, glad you came with me. I'm gonna cook up some lunch, and after lunch I'm gonna head back down. Well, I picked out a semi-flat rock and set up my stoves. I got a fire stove going, and I have a alcohol fuel stove going as well, so I can heat up some water and cook up my lunch at the same time. So this is my solo fire stove. Great thing about this is you're in the woods, you know, you got a lot of fuel. Just get some dead wood and some twigs, cut up some branches, and I like to cut up a branch, but then get a block of wood like this. You see I got like 3 of them in there right now. It'll burn longer and create better fuel or heat than like these twigs. When it has bark on it, they tend to not burn as well, so I usually break the bark off as I'm putting them in. But twigs don't last very long, so you got to have some bigger pieces like this. And then I got my alcohol stove in here, and I'm just using, this is also a wood burner. It just folds up flat and very lightweight. This one is stainless steel, and this one is titanium, so it's very lightweight. And the alcohol stove's titanium, so very lightweight. It cools down really quickly. This is 304 stainless steel, so this takes a little while, a little bit longer to cool down than the titanium. So, and then I have my Snow Peak pans, and this will be my frying pan. And I got some bubbles, not quite boiling yet. And this is my coffee press. I want to move it over here a little bit. So there it is. It's my French press. So I'm gonna make some coffee after my water's boiling, and then I got some bacon and some hot dogs, butter, I got a shrimp And oh, this is an egg. Anyway, and I got some rice and cheese over here. Cook up my lunch. All right, so I got my bacon cooking and I threw some shrimp in there. Next, after this, I'm gonna put my hot dogs in, and then I'll continue with the rice or the egg and then the rice. My coffee's all done brewing. Hot dogs are in, that's cooking up. Now to enjoy some coffee. Okay, so I put my rice in and just gonna heat that up, and then I'm gonna put my egg in to cook. All right, I got my egg in, that's gonna cook up, and then it'll be time to eat after I throw the cheese on top. And now, to top it off with cheese. Nothing better than a home-cooked meal out in the middle of the forest. Good stuff. Well, I'm all cleaned up. Leave no trace behind. The sun's getting low in the sky. It's gonna take me at least 30 minutes to hike back. I just get to eat my dessert on the way back. Cookie, chocolate chip. Looks like it's going to be an awesome sunset. Still making my way back. So on the way here to that outlook, I only saw one person, and she had 2 dogs with her. And on my way back, there was some people. I didn't see them, but I could hear them. They were looking at the soon-to-be sunset and admiring that, and I'm sure they'll be headed back like me before it gets dark. Now that the sun's going down, temperature's dropping. I put my jacket on since I knew it was going to get colder. I can hear cars, so I must be getting close to the highway. Sunrise Highway. Now I can hear some people yelling over there. So there was a lot of cars parked on the highway, a lot of kids and parents playing in the snow, building snowmen. So it's surprising midweek to see that many people, but this is pretty much the first, really good snow of the year up. I just checked the time, and it was just shy of 30 minutes to get back here. Pretty much what I predicted. And there's my Jeep. Meadows. So Sunrise Highway, that's where I'm at. So this is where I hiked. I hiked along here until I got to this ridge right over here. Normally I'll hike over here. There's a lake here, a small lake, and Big Laguna Lake. I've gone all the way up here, Sunset Trail, and back. Well, thanks for joining me for this afternoon and enjoying my lunch and the view. Till next time, see you later.